Karachi friends, my time is coming to an end here. I've had a fantastic year, and I am taking so many indelible memories with me of the people, of the sounds, of the smells, of the food. And I just wanted to take one more opportunity to go around and see what I could see in this beautiful city that I've come to love. What a fabulous year it has been here in Karachi, but also all over Sindh, into Balochistan. What I've tried to do is bring Pakistanis and Americans together through meaningful events and visits. Things like going to have iftar at Boat Basin, or walking around Frere Hall, or shopping for baubles during Eid at the Jama Cloth Market. These things have been very special for me and have also brought me out and shown how important it is to get out into the streets of Karachi. And how can I forget Karachi's fabulous food? I had to come here one more time to Port Grand, this place where you can get family fun, entertainment, and everything about Karachi's cuisine in one plate. This is really awesome. Karachi, I have made so many friends here, and I've eaten a lot of food. You have really shown me the meaning of Mehman Nawazi. Really delicious. To the people of Karachi, thank you. You have welcomed me into your lives, your homes, your workplaces, your communities, and I've learned so much from you. My hope and my wish as I leave is that our two countries grow ever closer together. Can I offer that to you? Karachi, until we meet again. Sadain Gad.